Meal prep, the key to nutrition and fitness success. Are you tired of making last-minute food decisions that derail your nutrition and fitness goals? Meal prepping is the solution you've been searching for. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can take control of your nutrition and fitness journey. Meal prepping is more than just packing a few meals in Tupperware containers. It's a proven strategy that can help you save time, money, and energy while staying on track with your health goals. Here are some tips to help you excel at meal prep. 1. Plan ahead. Before you start meal prepping, take some time to plan your meals. Decide what you want to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week. Make a grocery list and stick to it to avoid impulse purchases. 2. Batch cook. Cooking in batches is a great way to save time and ensure that you have enough food for the week. Cook a large batch of chicken, rice, or vegetables, and portion them out for the week. 3. Invest in quality containers. Investing in quality containers is essential for meal prep success. Look for containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe, leak-proof, and easy to stack and store. 4. Mix it up. Eating the same thing every day can get boring fast. Mix up your meals by trying new recipes or adding different spices and seasonings to your dishes. 5. Stay organized. Keep your fridge and pantry organized to make meal prep easier. Label your containers with the date and contents, and keep your ingredients in clear containers or labeled bags. Meal prepping may seem overwhelming at first, but with a little planning and preparation, it can become a habit that helps you achieve your nutrition and fitness goals. Give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. In conclusion, meal prepping is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their nutrition and fitness. By planning ahead, batch cooking, investing in quality containers, mixing up your meals, and staying organized, you can make meal prep a success. So, what are you waiting for? Start meal prepping today and take control of your health journey.